All right, so today we're going to be installing this Wilton Vise on my toolbox. I got a lot of toolboxes around the shop here and workbenches and things with vices on them, except for mine. So today we're going to put this on here. So let's get started. Somebody that had this before put some spray and bed liner on here, and I got to get this around the holes. Bolts aren't going to go through right. Stuff is tough to cut. Okay, cool. That's done. Sure this lines up. Okay, good. Now I'm going to take this plate, which I've marked out already with the 3 holes on this vise. I'm going to cut it here with my metal saw and drill the holes, and we're going to have a plate to go underneath here inside this drawer, and it'll support this against the top of the toolbox. Just as a tip, you always want to drill a smaller hole first and then step your drill up to the final size instead of trying to drill it all at once. It saves your drill bits. Okay, so I just finished drilling the holes here in this bracket, in this brace that I'm going to make a plate for underneath the vise. And I marked this before. This is where the end of the plate's going to be right here. So I just have to put a straight edge on here that this saw is going to guide against, right in this edge here. This is a Milwaukee metal cutting saw. It works really well. I just got this. And if you do a lot of metal cutting in your garage, you really need to get one of these. It's awesome. So the offset is 2.5 inches. Okay. Now it's lining up. Here, I think that does it. Nice positioning. You can spin it around. You can turn the handle here or on this side. Everything's clear. Now we got a vise. This thing's not going to move around very much. This thing's pretty stout. It's gonna be great for working on small projects, anything I have to do around the shop. So that's installing a vise. On to the next project. Keep that old line running.